Join us as we explore Funchal's cruise port in Madeira. In just one day, this port really surprised us. Funchal's cruise port is a hidden gem that offers a unique blend of culture, history, and natural beauty, making it a must-visit destination in its own right. Hello, everyone. If this is your first time visiting our channel, we are a recently retired couple traveling throughout the U.S. and around the world. So I just finished eating breakfast, and this is our first port. This 21-day cruise with Norwegian Sky, ACL Sky. And there are two other ships in port. So three huge ships. Well, I guess those are two big ships. Ours is a small one in port, Funchal, Portugal. It's simply beautiful. Looking forward to it. It's supposed to be raining. Let's hope the weather holds. And we end up having a great day today. We are leaving the ship and going into Funchal. And this is the latest that we've ever gotten off of a ship. It's almost 11, but we decided to do some classes. We're on this weight loss challenge. So one nice thing about leaving later, which we rarely do, is there are no crowds at all. I guess everyone's already there. But you have to be back on the ship at 5:30. Usually, I like to be there 2 hours early. So we'll try to be back by 2:33 at the latest. Another reason why we left later is we thought it was supposed to rain. They kept saying the forecast was calling for rain. The ship cruise director people, whatever, kept saying it was going to rain too, but nice weather. Little place over there for you to eat. No, we're fine, thank you. Casino in the mountain. Interesting. So we're going to walk to the city. It's supposed to be 1.6 kilometers or 2 miles. So if you see over there, there's our ship. So we just got off and made a right. We're going this way towards the city center. It looks like it's a pretty easy port to navigate if you want to do it yourself. And we're going to this fort. So I'm just following Google Maps here. See what we get. But so far it seems pretty easy. Beautiful, beautiful day. So when you get to this point, there is a sign that does say Central. You do have the hop-on, hop-off buses, the red one, and there's also a yellow one. From my research, I think the yellow bus is better, but they didn't get like sterling reviews either. But typical. They're great, and that was my backup plan if it was raining a lot, was just to hop on one of those guys and at least get a chance to see the city. But so far we can walk. You can also take a taxi. There are taxis when you first come out of the port, and also along this street here as well. So as you walk along here, I see where you can get a ticket, I guess, for the cable car. So right here is the ticket office. I'm not sure how long the wait is. So if you keep walking along the path from the ship after you get off, make a right. You're going to walk along the water here, and you're also going to come up to where you would catch the cable car. And I'm looking to see how long the line is. Ooh, I think these people are in the line right there. Oh my goodness. Interesting. Well, like I said, a lot of times I don't do the cable car for this reason. Yeah, I'm looking here, and it looks like it wraps all around. And so we're going forward to the fort. That this is the cable car line. So if you do want to do this on your own, I would suggest you get here early so that you can get in this long line. And then that's the cable car there coming down. I'm gonna go over here and see how much the ticket prices are. Okay, and so here is the ticket price if you want to do it. So round trip is 18 euros for an adult. And those are the hours there. We walked past the long cable car lines and made our way to the fort. The views from here were stunning. So you can see here how close the ship really is to this fort. Not a bad walk at all. Next, we found a quaint church across from the fort. Fortunately, we were able to get inside before the sky opened up and the rain came down. The church was beautiful inside with gorgeous mosaic tiles. So it was raining, so we ducked inside of this church to get out of the rain. So much for the weather forecast. I thought I was beating it. It was supposed to come in early and then the afternoon would be pretty clear, but it seems like the reverse is true. But it stopped. We were only in there about 15-20 minutes and it stopped already. So we're going to head back out and do some more sightseeing. Next, we wandered down the hill past some incredible murals that were painted on the doors. This city is so cute. So we're inside our Mercado. It's like flowers. It's beautiful inside. Well maintained. Really pretty. A lot of nice fruit. You should get your wine and stuff back there. Here's the sign here says leather goods, flowers. Got a grocery store, places to purchase your wine. It's like clothing back there. So a little of everything here. Very nice. And you see there's a second level as well. So they have a separate section just for the seafood, which is kind of nice. It's away from the fruit and vegetables, you know. I'm a germaphobe. But can't get any fresher than this. It's later in the morning, so well, actually it's afternoon, so I'm thinking most of the seafood may be gone. Maybe. Not sure. So, raining again. We went through the Mercado, and getting ready to head to Blandy's Wine Lodge, and it just, skies opened up. So we're gonna sit here, hunker down for a minute, and hopefully the rain will slack off some. We have about an 8-minute walk to get over there. Okay, so it's 15 minutes later, and it looks like it's raining even harder than before. I don't know. Oh, we're gonna try to get there. Oh my gosh, it is pouring. So everyone has the same idea. Everyone just kind of huddled underneath these shelters and all the shops. It's interesting. So, yeah, I have to look and see. That's one thing I did not research. I don't know if Portugal has a raining season. So Kevin broke down and bought an umbrella. It is stopped raining. We're soaked. But we're going to head to this winery and see what it's like. And I talked to a shop owner, the one we bought the umbrella from. She says this is the rainy season in Portugal, here in Funchal. And she said the best time to come is in May. So we have to come back and check it out at a better time. Okay, so we finally made it here. Blandy's Wine Lodge. And we are wet. Hopefully we won't get sick. And so we're going to check out this place. It's been around since 1811, according to the sign. So we're here in the tasting room, and we both have flights. Kevin has the dry, and I did the variety one with dry to medium sweet to sweet. So I'm not big on sweet wines, but hey, we're Madeira, so or in this region, so I figure we should try it. So we're gonna try it out. Not expensive at all. I think for both of us it was 24 to 25 euros. So looking forward to trying it. And here's my plate. So even though we got soaking wet, looks like we did beat a tour group that's coming from one of the ships. So like I said, guys, you can do this yourself. You don't have to do it through the ship. I do tours through the ship, but you don't always have to do that. You can do it on your own and save money. May fumble around trying to find things, but that's the adventure of it. Okay, so we're here. I'm not sure if you can hear us. But this is the first wine. This is a dry wine. So cheers. It's good. Strong. It's got a little bit of a kick.
Oh, sorry.
No. Actually, I like it though.
All right, and I've got the €3 dry all the way up to the €11 dry. So €3 dry, not bad. It's okay.
Yeah, my first one was really kind of strong. So now I'm gonna do the second one. Okay. Cheers. That was not as strong. I actually like that one better for me. Mine is gradually getting sweeter, which I'm not a big sweet person wine, but it's not bad. What about yours?
Yeah, I don't know.
Because his is getting more. His is. I think yours is more dry each time. Yeah. I think his is more dry each time. Okay, so now we're going to try our third one. This one for me should be semi-sweet, and then I think yours is getting more dry. They're pretty though, gorgeous one.
That was better.
I like it. I didn't think I liked the
Sure you do.
semi-sweet, but it's not too sweet though. I was really concerned because I'm not. We first started falling in love with wines when we lived in Italy, and we started off with sweet, but as our palate changed, we like more, less sweet wines. But that's not bad, not bad at all. Okay, this is our last one. This one is sweet for me, and his is. I think this is the most dry for Kevin.
This is the €11 dry.
Yeah, because his is different years too. I got the cheaper one. It's good.
With age, it gets better.
Just like us.
Yeah, so definitely the oldest version of the dry wine is best. The €3 dry, yeah, I wouldn't order it. Wouldn't get a bottle of it, but the €11, which of course is more expensive, but it is a good wine.
Yeah, and I really like the sweet and the semi-sweet and the sweet. I didn't like the first one, which was the dry. I didn't like that €3 dry. I made the same one you didn't like. I didn't care for that one, but I do the semi-sweet and sweet, or even the dry that's 5 years, this older, I liked better. So here you can buy wine to take with you. Of course, you take it back to the ship. They're going to confiscate it and put it aside for you before you get off the ship. But you can't buy a bottle here and drink it. You can only do the flights or buy per glass. But a glass is like €2 to €5. Not bad at all. So this is our day. I'm glad we didn't do the winery like I thought about doing for this cruise because it is raining. So win-win. So right across from Blandy's wine store, shop, whatever, there is a beautiful park. And the sun is out and it's not raining anymore, of course, now that my feet are soaking wet.
Now you know she's been drinking.
So anyway, I'm going to turn and you see the beautiful park. This is when I absolutely miss my yard. But if I was still in my house, my McMansion that we had before we downsized, I wouldn't have this anyway because I would be raking leaves, which I detest. But this is so beautiful. So this has been our day in Funchal, Portugal. We're heading back to the ship. Of course, the sun is out now that we're soaking wet. You know, my clothes have dried. My shoes are, wet. I'll have to blow dry them. But this has been a wonderful trip and wonderful port. Definitely would like to come back. It's beautiful here.
We hope you enjoyed our video today. We managed to see a lot in a few hours and get back to the ship before it sailed. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you've been to this port or any ports in Portugal. We would love to hear from you. Take care, everyone, and safe travels.